Hello students, last class we discussed scalar triple product of three vectors definition, that is if vector A, vector B, vector C are three non-zero vectors, then vector A dot B cross C is called scalar triple product. Sometimes it is also called box product, and it is written as like this, square bracket, vector A, vector B, vector C. This is exactly equal to vector A dot B cross. Okay, and we studied if vector A is A1I, A2J, A3K, vector B is B1I, B2J, B3K, vector C is C1I, C2J, C3K. Then A dot B cross C, we know that A dot B cross C is A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 using determinant method. Okay. Next, see, vector A dot B cross C can be written as B dot C cross A, and it is also written as C dot A cross B using the properties of determinant. Last class we discussed. Okay, this is one part. Second, vector A dot B cross C, remember that scalar. That's why we say that is scalar triple product. B cross C is vector multiplied by vector A using dot product. We get naturally, we know that it is a scalar. Next, third one. Vector A dot B cross C. Vector A dot B cross C. See, vector A dot B, we got a scalar. Scalar is multiplied by vector. That one is not possible because by cross product we are using what? Both are in the vector. Therefore, it is a which form? Meaningless form. Okay. And next, see, if vector A, B, means if two vectors are similar, then its value should be 0. For example, vector A, vector B, or vector A, vector B, vector C. Okay, or vector A, vector C equal to 0. Okay, if two vectors are similar, then its value should be 0. Here, coplanarity of three vectors and coplanarity of 4 points mentioned. Okay. Now we have to prove if three non-zero vectors, vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar, if and only if A dot B cross C is 0. If and only if mentioned, means if vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar, if they are coplanar, A dot B cross C is 0. Or if A dot B cross C is 0, naturally A, B, C are coplanar. Vice versa. Proof of this first case 1. We will take reverse form. A dot B cross C is 0. If vector A dot B cross C is 0. If vector A dot B cross C 0 means vector A perpendicular to vector B cross vector C. Means like this. This is vector A and it is a B cross C. Vector A perpendicular to B cross C. But we know that see, B cross C by definition, B cross C is perpendicular to both vector B and vector C. Both perpendicular to vector B and vector C means this is vector B, this is vector C. Okay, that is vector A, vector B, vector C are parallel vectors. If they are parallel, naturally they are lies on the same plane. Means vector A, vector B, vector C are lies in the same plane. If they are lies on the same plane, naturally what we say that vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar. Because our definition says coplanar if two or more vectors are lies on the same plane, such type of vectors we call it as coplanar. See here, all the three vectors are lies on the same plane, therefore we say that it is a ABC are coplanar. Reverse form, case 2 again. Means reverse form. If vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar. Okay. If vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar, then we have to prove A dot B cross C is 0. Okay. See, if vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar means they are lies on the same plane. If they are lies on the same plane means they are parallel. Okay. If they are parallel, by seeing the diagram, see, this is B vector, this is C vector, and vector B and vector C are perpendicular to vector B cross C. Correct. Therefore, we can write vector B and vector C are perpendicular to vector B cross vector C. Okay. But we know that vector A, vector B, vector C are lies in the same plane. Means vector A, this one, vector A perpendicular to B cross C. Okay, that is vector A dot B cross C is C. Okay, please remember what if three non-zero vectors vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar if and only if A dot B cross C is a 0. Okay, this is for if they given three vectors. Okay, next, suppose if they mentioned 4 points. For example, if I take the 4 points A, B, C and D, these are the 4 points. They are not mentioned. The vectors means keep any one point as a what? Origin A. Okay, and next take B, C and D. AB, AC and AD. Because see here just given 4 points. There is no original position. Therefore, any one point you can fix as a origin. A to B, A to C, A to D. Means this is you can say vector A, vector B, vector C. And we say that coplanar means vector A dot B cross C is 0. Then we say that the given three vectors are coplanar. Means vector A is over here, AB dot AC cross AD equal to 0. This is how you can calculate by using how many number of points? 4 points. Okay. See, give an example. Find vector A dot B cross C. If vector A is 2i plus j plus bk, vector B minus I plus 2j plus k, vector C 3i plus j plus 2k. Such type of example is asked in the exam for 2 marks question. Okay. A dot B cross C. We know that A dot B cross C formula. The determinant A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. That one we are applying. Vector A components I, J, K. Coefficients are 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Vector B minus 1, 2, 1. Vector C 3, 1, 2. Apply plus, minus, plus using determinant method. Okay. First step 2. Leave the row. Use the column, we get 2, 1, 1, 2, second order determinant. Okay. So 1, 1, 2. Next, minus 1. For minus 1, again use the rule, corresponding row and column, delete, we get minus 1, 1, 3, 2. Minus 1, 1, 3. Next, the last one, delete the corresponding row and column, we get minus 1, 2, 3, 1, plus 3, minus 1, 2, 3, 1. Then apply cross product, 2 into 2, 4, minus 1. Next, minus 1, cross multiply, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 3 into 1, 2, plus 3, cross multiply, minus 1, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, next, 2, 4 minus 1, 3, minus 1, minus 5, plus 3, minus 7, 6 plus 5, minus 21. Means 11 minus 21. What is the value? Okay. This is how you can calculate. Next example is given. Find the volume of the parallelepiped. Find the volume of the parallelepiped. Find the volume of the parallelepiped whose co-terminal edges are vector A 2i minus j plus k, vector B 2i plus 3j plus k, and vector C I minus 3j minus 5. Okay. This is the given. See, as we know, volume of the parallelepiped is nothing but A dot B cross C. Already we proved geometrical meaning of what? Scalar triple product. Geometrical meaning of scalar triple product is nothing but volume of the parallelepiped, that is A dot B cross C. Okay. Solution. Given vector A, vector B, vector C. Apply again same vector A dot B cross C. Vector A is 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Next C, 1 minus 3 minus 5. Okay. Next apply plus, minus, plus using determinant method. 2, again leave the row, the column we get 3, 1 minus 3, 5. 3, 1 minus 3, 5. Next, for second minus 1. Leave the row, the column we get 2, 1, 1 minus 5. Minus into minus become, we get plus 1. 2, 1, 1 minus 5. Next last one, plus 1. Leave the corresponding row and this column we get 2, 3, 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus. Then cross multiply 2. Cross multiply 3 into minus 5 minus 15. Next minus of minus 3 plus 1. Cross multiply 2 into minus 5 10. 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 1. Cross multiply 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 3 into 1. 2 minus 15 minus of minus plus plus minus 10 minus 1. We get minus 11 plus minus 9 minus 15 plus 2 minus 15 plus 2 minus 13. 13 2s are 20 with minus 9 minus 11 minus 9. We will get minus 15. Okay. Therefore, volume of the parallelepiped. Therefore, volume of the parallelepiped is 44 cubic units, and minus we can't take because it shows a